Creativity is often seen as a way to just make art and have fun, but for me, it's become so much more than that. In this video, I'm going to share how creativity can be used as a powerful tool for self-mastery, emotional healing, and personal growth. Stay tuned. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button to stay up to date every single time a new video drops on personal growth, spirituality, faith, creativity, and valuable truth bombs. Always been a creative person. In addition to being a coach, I'm also a singer-songwriter, a poet, and I've also dabbled in abstract art. What began as fun and a soul calling has turned into one of my most potent tools for personal growth, inner healing, and self-mastery. I've come to realize over the years that my creative expression has always been a mirror to my inner world, whether it was songwriting, poetry, writing, even painting. No matter what I was doing, it would give me a glimpse into my inner world and my unconscious. Each time I would sit down to write a poem, write a lyric, by the piano to write a song, or whatever I was doing, I would be connecting deeply to myself, my emotions, my inner world, and I would bring the unconscious into conscious awareness. And this is what Carl Jung speaks about, which I love, and I love this quote by him: until you make the unconscious conscious, it will rule your life and you will call it fate. But creativity is one of the best tools I know that we have at our disposal to turn the unconscious into conscious awareness. How do you currently use creativity? Do you use it as a form of escapism? Or do you use it as a way to lean more deeply into yourself, to understand yourself better? Comment below, I'd love to know what your take is. Creativity is not just healing because it's fun. It definitely is, but it's healing also because it reveals the truth. It can help to connect you to your true essence and to process your emotions in a healthy way. When you channel your unconscious, your challenges, your emotions, whatever it is, into art, you're not only healing, but you're transmuting energy. You are transmuting darkness into light. You are taking something that may have been challenging or difficult, and you are changing it, and you are making something beautiful out of it. That is amazing. You learn to face yourself in a very deep way. You learn to sit with your emotions, what it is that you are really feeling, and you're learning to process it. That is always powerful and worthwhile, and I don't feel that creativity has got the reputation for being as healing as it really is. And I think it's undervalued actually, as not just something that heals the creator when you create something, but it can also heal those who witness or consume that art form, right? If you would like more in-depth content from me around personal growth and spirituality and creativity, make sure you subscribe to my Substack newsletter. It's perfectly free. You can sign up on the link below, and you also get a copy of my free ebook, Silence and Surrender. Remember, creativity isn't just art. It's a way to get to know yourself more deeply and to make the unconscious conscious. One of the most powerful tools we have to develop self-awareness and self-mastery. So it's time to get creative. I cannot wait to see what you create. If you want to check out my creative work, make sure you check out my music covers here on this channel. Original music will be coming in due course as well, and my poetry over on Substack. Looking forward to connecting with you over there. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to the channel to support the channel. And you will not miss out on any future videos on personal growth, spirituality, faith, creativity, and valuable truth bombs. I'm Hege, helping you step into your truth and calling and to reclaim your power. Till next time.